Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install STM32CubeMX software. Search STM32CubeMX download in Google and click on first link of STM32CubeMX. You can see now the web page for STM32CubeMX with initialization code generator. Now scroll down. Here you can see the setup files for various OS given. I am going to use the setup file for Windows. Click on Get Latest. Accept the agreement. I am going to download this software as a guest. Here fill your name details and email address. Then tick this checkbox and click on Get Link to download to get the download link in your email box. Click on Receive Download Link. Zip file getting download. Check the download folder once the file is downloaded. Now extract this zip file. Click on this application file to install the software. Click on Install for me. Click on Next. Tick the boxes and click Next. Set the installation path and click Next. Say OK. Click Next. Installation process has started and it will take a while. Click Next. Now installation process is complete. Click Done. Go to desktop, click on MX icon to start the application. This is the UI for STM32CubeMX. In next video we will generate the code for our STM32 Blackpill board. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video then hit like button. Please share and subscribe and comment. Thanks again and have a good time.